Beloved Hyojeong CheonBo trainees, in this age, even if we must face difficulties, we must attend the true parents of heaven, earth, and humankind, who are the source of true life, true love, and true lineage, and we will be victorious. The moment we leave the realm of true parents' true love, we fall directly into Satan's realm. We fall into the realm of death. This is why we must be victorious in true life, true love, and true lineage. True parents have not rested peacefully throughout their entire lives, instead following a physically punishing schedule for the sake of God's will. True Mother has said that during the 53 years she spent attending True Father, she never slept more than 3 hours a day. And even now, while you are sleeping at night, she is awake and speaking with True Father about how to accomplish the providence. In this world, there is nobody who has pushed themselves as hard as true parents to accomplish Heavenly Parents' dream and to restore humankind. This is why, as people in the spirit world and on earth look at each section of true parents' lives, they are touched and moved to tears by what they see. That is why we, who have been rescued from the world of evil and sin, look at True Parents' life course as a model for the course we must follow. Following a physically punishing course, living for the family more than the individual, for the tribe more than the family, for the people more than the tribe, and for the nation and world more than the people. We are living in the first for the secure settlement of Cheonbok. So our blessed families, in their position, leading their tribes in the physical and spiritual worlds, we are standing in the position where we can make our offerings to heaven as families who pray for the unification of the fatherland and families who can join the citizens of Cheonbok. In Cheonbok, you will receive glory to correspond to the depth of your efforts, shedding tears for man, sweat for earth, and blood for heaven. If we had not come to know God's will, we would have just lived a life worthless, worth less than a hand of dirt, and just disappeared like a flowing river or gusting wind. But we heard the call of heaven and have participated in the providence of restoration, becoming CheonBo families, and our fortune has changed completely, so that now we can receive praise and glory for hundreds of generations. How can we possibly repay that grace? The only way for us to repay Heavenly Parent and True Parents is to follow the way of Hyojeong. We must become flawless, blemishless sons and daughters who can receive, love, and work together with 3 generations to complete the Heavenly Tribal Messiah mission. Beloved Hyojeong CheonBo Workshop trainees, at the Autumn Great Works in 2017, True Mother said, in the new age that was brought by establishing Foundation Day, the works of the substantial Holy Spirit, True Mother, the only begotten daughter, is moving this Cheongpyeong area. This place has been blessed. So if you come here and receive the works of the Holy Spirit, not only yourself, but the realm of 3 generations centered on you, the past, present, and future, can all become healthy citizens of Cheonbok without flaw or blemish. No matter how much grace there is, and no matter how huge a spiritual background you have, if you cannot set up a connection to resonate with heaven, you cannot participate in any works from the spirit world. I pray that all of you can participate in CheonBo Special Gi-Seong and make a connection to the spirit world, which is in the subject position, so that you can become families that experience works of grace, works of blessing, and works of miracles. Then you can have a heart full of delight and joy throughout this year of 2023.